Ever wondered what secrets lie behind those doors and how a Sam's Club membership actually works? First, you choose a membership tier. Sam's Club offers different levels like the basic club membership and the premium plus membership. The plus membership offers extra perks like cash rewards and free shipping. The main difference, rewards and benefits. Plus members earn 2% cash back on qualifying purchases, up to $500 a year. They also get free shipping on most online items. Next, you activate your membership. Once you sign up online or in store, you'll receive a physical card or can use the Sam's Club app. This is your golden ticket to savings. The app is a must-have. It has your digital membership card, lets you order ahead, and even offers Scan and Go for checkout to skip the lines. Now, it's time to shop. Sam's Club offers bulk savings on groceries, household essentials, electronics, and so much more. Explore the aisles and find deals you won't see anywhere else. Members can unlock extra deals and instant savings throughout the year. And remember that Scan and Go feature. It's a lifesaver for saving time at checkout. That's it. With a Sam's Club membership, you get access to exclusive savings, convenience, and a whole lot of value. Happy shopping!